Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the construction that's going on the Spanish Town Road. And Spanish Town Road takes you from downtown Kingston all the way to Mandela Highway. So it's one of the main routes when you're driving into and out of the city of Kingston. This is a 6-lane road and it goes it has a lot of factories on it, a lot of business places. It also leads to the Port of Kingston, or the Kingston Wharf as it's called. So this is a very busy road. The intersection of Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road is actually the busiest intersection in Jamaica. Alright, so a construction project is on the way to renovate this road. So the project is being done in two parts. The first part is where Water Commission is going to lay pipes. They have a lot of residential areas off this road. You have Seaview Gardens, you have Washington Gardens, you have Riverton, you have Tavares Gardens, you have Denham Town, Tivoli Gardens, Olympic Gardens, a lot of residential communities. And as these communities grow over the years, the water supply just wasn't adequate enough to supply all these areas with the water that it needed, because basically the pipes were too small. So Water Commission decided they were going to lay new pipes, and after they finished laying the pipes, the road would be paved over. So the first part of the project, which is ongoing now, is the laying of the water pipes. So US $25 million was spent on a project to bring potable water to the local areas. Spanish Town Road, the name of the project is the Spanish Town Road Potable Water Transmission Main Project. It's to run along Spanish Town Road into central and downtown Kingston. And this project started in November 2020. Now, NWC, or National Water Commission, outsourced the laying of the pipes to a contractor. And the project is going to cost US $25 million to lay the pipes. And basically, this part of the project, the laying of the pipes, is going to cost 25 million US. And the paving of the road, which is a separate contractor, a separate project, is going to cost $11 million Jamaica. So NWC is in charge of the laying of the pipes, but the maintenance of the main roads is done by the National Works Agency, which is the NWA. So the NWA is the one that's going to give out the contract. Well, they've given out the contract already for $11 million to pave over the road. And even with this project going on, it was recently announced by the Prime Minister that this corridor, the Spanish Town Road corridor, because it's one of the main roads that lead into the city of Kingston, should be redesigned and re-engineered, but that's a different project. But it was recently said that it should be redesigned. Alright, so the Water Commission project now, the main aim is to replace aged transmission mains that break and affect the reliability of water supply to surrounding communities. Now, is it me, or is that light not red? And these cars are not only cutting the line to go to the front, but running the red light. Unfortunately, this is something that happens. There is another one that happens every day in Jamaica. So much, you would call it, indiscipline on the roads. Okay, so basically, Water Commission, through its contractor, has dug up the road and laid the pipes. Now they're going to be laying 4 kilometers of pipes, and the pipes are 24 inches, which are huge pipes. And some areas are going to get 35-inch pipes, some areas are going to get 20-inch pipes. So it depends on, I guess, the need of the water supply, but some areas 35-inch pipes were laid, some 24-inch pipes. So the pipes were actually laid already, and we have a lot of videos up showing the construction or when the pipes were going in. The road was dug up and the pipes laid. So now Water Commission is to pressure test the pipes to make sure they don't have any leaks. Now during the phase of pressure testing, I noticed they were digging back up the roads in certain parts, so clearly something went wrong. So now the NWA has told its contractor to wait until NWC has completely finished their part, because you don't want the road to be paved and then they have to dig it up to fix a pipe. So basically the project, I'm not sure what is taking Water Commission so long now. It was announced last week that they were closing a part of some of the roads off Spanish Town Road to lay pipes. So okay, like on the right here now, that is where the road was dug up to lay pipes. All along the left, the road was dug up to lay pipes. So I don't know if Water Commission has to lay the pipes on the side road now, the roads that lead off Spanish Town Road. And I'm assuming, well, that's what they are doing now, but I don't know why they just don't go ahead and pave this road now if the pipes that are laid on this road are good to go. I don't know why they're waiting on the pipes to go on the side road, but they must know what they're doing, because as you can see, the paving of the road has not started yet. The contract was given out, the amount was agreed on, $11 million, and that part hasn't started yet because they're still waiting on Water Commission to give the green light to say they're finished with their part. And that's basically where the project is now. So there's no more digging going on Spanish Town Road, so I'm assuming the pipes on this road are now finished. But they did announce in the week that they were closing certain other side roads because they were going to be laying pipes there. So hopefully this project will get finished soon and they can work on the redesigning and re-engineering of the road when you come off Mandela Highway. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll keep you guys updated as to the progress of this project. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.